Air Force One is not a specific aircraft, but rather the call sign for any U.S. Air Force plane carrying the President of the United States. The concept dates back to World War II, when it became necessary to provide secure and reliable air travel for the President due to increasing global threats. Over time, this evolved into a highly sophisticated flying command center equipped with top-tier security, communication, and survival features. Today's Air Force One is typically a specially modified Boeing 747 that includes features far beyond those of any commercial aircraft. Each flight is planned with meticulous attention to detail, and every component is checked to maintain an exceptional level of readiness and safety. The aircraft is protected by multiple security measures, including decoy luggage, backup planes, and military escort jets. In high-risk situations, a second, identical aircraft may follow Air Force One to conceal the President's true location. All onboard crew members, including pilots, attendants, and security staff, are trained military personnel who are prepared for rapid emergency response. The flight avoids standard commercial paths, uses altered or generic flight numbers, and flies at high altitudes to minimize exposure to threats. Even the tail numbers are concealed to keep the aircraft's identity hidden from the public eye. Maintenance, inspections, and pre-flight checks are done under strict secrecy, and even minor repairs require cleared personnel with extensive background checks. Technological defenses on board are equally impressive. Air Force One is equipped with advanced infrared countermeasures that detect and divert incoming missiles, as well as hardened electronic systems that can survive an electromagnetic pulse, EMP, from a nuclear explosion or solar flare. It can be refueled mid-air by a tanker aircraft, allowing it to remain airborne indefinitely if necessary. The plane also includes secure, encrypted communications, allowing real-time coordination with military bases, submarines, and other government agencies. Its onboard recon systems help detect environmental or security threats during flight, allowing the crew to adjust the route mid-air as needed. Inside, Air Force One is outfitted to function as a full operational hub for the U.S. President. It includes offices, conference rooms, secure communication centers, and even a small hospital with a doctor and medical supplies for emergencies. Every meal served to the President is pre-screened for contaminants, and all food is prepared by vetted personnel. The aircraft even carries portable desalination systems to purify seawater into drinkable water in case of an extended emergency. In addition to transporting the President, the aircraft also carries sensitive classified documents and a nuclear football, which contains the launch codes for nuclear weapons, ensuring the President can act at a moment's notice, even while flying. Finally, operational secrecy and national security are tightly interwoven into every aspect of Air Force One. The aircraft never takes off without a full weather analysis, security sweeps of airfields, and confirmation of a secure flight path. All flight paths are pre-screened, and the plane typically avoids flying over densely populated areas unless absolutely necessary. The President's travel itinerary is shared only with a handful of trusted individuals, and even crew members are expected to maintain total discretion. When the Vice President or First Lady is on board, the call sign changes to Air Force Two, but the same level of protection applies. Overall, Air Force One represents more than a mode of transportation. It's a mobile fortress and command center built to keep the President safe, informed, and connected at all times.